If you're watching this video, then most likely you're preparing for civil services. Hi, I'm Vikas Ahlawat. I was able to crack civil services twice in 2016 and 2018 and was able to get the highest score in history optional. And for the students of history optional, I'm coming up with a very unique initiative, and that includes 3-day workshop. Now you'll be asking, भाई किसको join करना चाहिए, किसको ये videos watch करने चाहिए? So let me get you through this. So this will be for those people who are planning with history as an option in civil services preparation. Second, those who have already planned and they want to start the real preparation, those also, and even those who are writing mains with history optional for this year, all of you will get benefited out of this workshop. Okay, let me get you through the other deliverables of this workshop. So day one, we'll only talk about the important sources, important areas to be covered, etc., etc. Just specifically reserved for this purpose, because without confining our sources, we can never master any subject. So this is the most important day, day one. Day two will be purely about answer writing, how to develop that skill which can make you a topper. So this is emerging as a topper approach will include the answer writing templates for all of you. And the third one, the most important part, that even though there is a very big syllabus for each and every optional, but there are some specific areas where the return on investment is always going to be high. So those most important topics will be discussed in the third specific day. All right. So these three things will be covered for the students of history optional. Eventually, the whole deliverables, they include comprehensive book lists so that it can become easy for you to study effectively. Second, the answer writing templates, so that from the beginning itself, you'll know you have to master this technique of answer writing and eventually go towards drafting answers, which can lead to very high level of score in the exam. Then list of most important topics, and finally trend analysis of last 40 years, which can eventually further your score in the optional. To become a part of this initiative, what you need to do, first of all, you can register in the Google form which is down below. All right, then you'll be added to the WhatsApp community so that all the important relevant information can be shared with you in a split of a second. Third, very important part, then links will be specifically shared in this group through the YouTube, through which we can easily communicate with each other. And finally, the documents will also be shared so that everything can come at one place. That's why we are trying to create this specific facility for the history optional students. All right. After attending these 3-day workshop, eventually you'll have more refined approach towards history optional. All right. First important thing. Second, course correction for many of you. So if you're not preparing in a specific way, which is important from exam point of view, then this is your chance to attend the workshop. Third, access to one of the most active community for the history optional. And finally, mentorship call, including me. Okay, so if you have some specific doubts with respect to history optional, then you will get mentorship from our mentors as well as from me if required. All right, so all these things are going to be part of the initiative. To become a part of this, it's very easy. If you find any problem, then you can call on this number 93109-78553. And with the use of the QR code, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's see you in the workshop, and let us try to build a very refined kind of strategy for the history optional. Okay, all the very best, and I'll see you in the workshop.